Right, let's quickly show you how to put a Centurion D5 Evo gate motor onto manual. The key, it's marked a 196. Goes in upside down. Turn it to the right 90 degrees. Open the door. There you have your manual release knob. All you do is you turn it clockwise until it cannot go anymore. You'll see I'm not using any force on it. Basically 2 fingers, there it is. And I'm going to pull the gate. That's how easy it is to put a Centurion D5 Evo gate motor onto manual. So, if we put it back in gear, the best would be open the sliding gate to about 1 meter's opening. You just stand back, then you can see. Turn the manual release knob anti-clockwise. If you turn it too far, it will only fall out. So don't worry about it. It's about there. Take your hand, pull the steel sliding gate until it clicks. There it's in gear. And now you can press your remote.